Hi everybody! I'm like so excited to share this video. This is episode 3 of my Healing with Herb series. Basically, this is just a series where I show you a whole bunch of flowers and plants that can really boost your overall health and just enhance your beauty. So if you haven't already seen on the screen, we are going to be talking about aloe vera. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that can grow 36 inches or bigger. The leaves are thick, and when the leaves are broken off, you'll start to see a clear gel that is most commonly used for healing wounds. This beautiful thick plant is native to North Africa and the coastal areas surrounding the Mediterranean Sea. Belonging to the Asphodelaceae family, the most common aloe you'll find is the small potted aloe, often kept as a houseplant. So are there any benefits to using aloe vera? Aloe vera contains compounds that decrease pain and inflammation and stimulate skin repair. Aloe vera can soothe psoriasis on the skin. Aloe vera can also soothe burns, cuts, and wounds. And studies have also suggested that taking aloe vera juice may help lower blood sugar levels and type 2 diabetes. So, whenever you use any type of natural medicine, you just need to be mindful and ask the question of, is it safe and how much do I use? So if you're cutting into the plant and buying it yourself, it's always suggested that you use the clear gel. Do not use the yellow gel. It will irritate your skin, and it's actually like a sap that when you cut the aloe open, you'll see the clear gel and you'll also see the yellow one. Toss the yellow one out and clean it out as best as you can. This one is especially important. Please do not try to make aloe vera juice yourself. If you are going to buy from a brand or if you want to drink aloe vera juice, just make sure it is free of this sap and it says it on the packaging. Some of the benefits of consuming aloe vera juice is that it helps with digestion. Also, it helps lower blood sugar levels. If you are going to purchase aloe vera juice, I would suggest doing it from like the Vitamin Shop website or personally in the store. If you are going to drink aloe vera juice, just do it in small amounts, because if you drink it in excessive amounts, it actually could irritate your intestines. I have had aloe vera juice before. It's very bitter, and I think after you open it, you do have to refrigerate it. Because of the soothing and healing benefits of aloe vera is most commonly found in a bunch of hair care and body care products. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is start off with our aloe vera plants. As you can see, I'm cutting it into small sections. Doesn't have to be perfect. And basically why I'm doing this is so we can lay it upright, so it can properly drain out at the bottom. And I have flipped it as well so it can drain out from both sides. Also, as you can see, I have a bowl of water to the left. That's because once we drain most of the sap out from the aloe, what we're going to do is put the whole aloe into the water. And this is just a perfect example of what comes out of the aloe plant. What I previously showed before, that yellow stuff, that's not what you want to put on your skin. Yeah, as you can see, I'm just cutting it in the middle. Again, it does not have to be perfect because it is going in the water, and we are going to dice it up and put it in our hair. Honestly, cutting this and seeing it like cut, it's so like relaxing. I don't know if anybody used to watch like those slime videos. They used to be so popular back then, but I don't know, that's what that reminds me of. I honestly am not quite sure how long I let it sit in this water for, but what we're going to do is take the I was about to say jar. Take the bowl of aloe leaves and head over to your sink so we can just go ahead and dump it out. And once you dump out the water, just be prepared to mix whatever you want to mix in your aloe hair mask. As you can see, I put oil in it, and I think that's aloe vera powder. Please do not quote me. I do not remember. I filmed this video like 2 months ago, so I don't remember what powder it was, but I think that said aloe. I wanted to try like the aloe powder and also the aloe gel at the same time, and I added a little bit of oil, just so my hair can get moisturized as well. And once you mix all your ingredients together, this feels like a feels like I'm in a science lab. Once you mix all your ingredients together, Just be prepared to blend. This was low-key kind of like my favorite part, mixing it together. The blending, it wasn't as cool, but like the mixing, mwah, that's where it really was. Okay, and once I was done blending it together, I just put it in a little bottle that I had in my room. I love those bottles, by the way. But anyways, I put it in my hair. Y'all, I will give this, what will I rate it? I would give it a 8 out of 10. If I had to do something differently, I would use more oil and probably more aloe. Um, yeah, overall, it was pretty cool. Wait, I don't know if I don't think I blended it with water. I think it was just gel, the aloe powder, and then the oil as well. So, yeah, it wasn't as, liquidy as I would have wanted it to be. Like, I didn't have that slip like flaxseed gel has. But, anyways, I liked it. This is me after I washed it out of my hair. As you can see, your girl looks refreshed. Ah, you look so cute. Anyways, oh, by the way, I don't know if I mentioned this. I think I said this video was filmed like 2 or 3 months ago. So if you're gonna make a comment like, "Oh my God, girl, your hair is damaged," I did cut those pieces off my hair. My hair honestly has been through so many different changes, but yeah, I am really happy. But yeah, next we're gonna talk about Glamour Magic and how we can enhance our beauty with aloe. So basically what you can use aloe vera for is beauty spells, protection, good luck, and cleansing. So I actually thought of this, but if you buy an aloe vera plant or if you currently have one, since it's used for good luck and attracting good luck, you can specifically set the intention that every time you pour into your aloe vera plant, every time you take care of it, every time you feed it, every time you give it just like sunlight, it is also pouring into you as well. What I would recommend you do is write something down, set your intentions, bury it inside the plant, and every time the plant grows, your abundance will grow as well. Oh, but thank you everybody that like watched and stayed to the end of this video. That's so sweet of you. Comment down below what you want to see next. Bye.